the United States and Saudi Arabia agreed on the importance of stopping Iran from acquiring a nuclear weapon. During a visit by US President Joe Biden, a joint statement carried by the Saudi state news agency said. The statement said Biden also affirmed the United States' continued commitment to supporting Saudi Arabia's security and territorial defense, and facilitating the kingdom's ability to obtain necessary capabilities to defend its people and territory against external threats. Saudi Arabia and the United States underscored the need to further deter Iran's interference in the internal affairs of other countries, its support for terrorism through its armed proxies, and its efforts to destabilize the security and stability of the region, the statement said. In 2015, Iran signed a deal with 6 major powers to limit its nuclear program to make it harder to obtain a weapon in exchange for relief from economic sanctions. Iran says its nuclear program seeks only civilian atomic energy.